This is a quick tutorial for parents who want to link to and access their child's Schoology account. So you're going to want to go to Schoology.com. That's Schoology.com. So your page will look like this. When you get to this page, you will go to sign up. When you click on sign up, you'll see the options below, and of course you'll want to go to the very bottom option of parent. When you click on parent, you will be asked to enter your child's access code. The access code will be provided by either your child's teacher or an administrator from the district, and you'll type that code in here and click continue. So I've put the code in for my child. I click continue and I will go through these steps. I'll put my name, email, create a password, decide if I want to be subscribed to the Schoology blog, and then if I don't want that, I unclick that, click here because I have to agree to the terms, and click register. Once I'm done doing all the registration pieces, I will be brought to this home page for the district and for my account. So this is my account up here, but if I click on here, I will see that my child, so this is my kind of fake child, their account is right below mine, and I also have the option to add a child. So if I have an access code for another child, I can add that right here. And what I will see when I click on my child's information is any activity that they've participated in. So anything that they'll see based on the classes they're in or groups they're in, any comments they've made or other people in those classes or comments have made. I kind of view what they would view. It even says up here, you are viewing as, and then it'll have your child's name. The other thing I can see are the courses that they're in or the groups that they're in. So if I click on enrollments, this is what courses they are currently in. And so I can click on one of those courses. I can see any updates for that course. I can go in the materials section. In the materials section, this is where I'll find any of their assignments. So I can scroll down and explore the different folders. Back in updates, I can see if they have any assignments coming up in this upcoming section. I can look at their calendar to see if they have any specific events or things coming up. And then if I want to go back to my own profile, this is where I can message a teacher. So if I wanted to message a teacher, I'd click on this little envelope, click new message, and say I wanted to email Mrs. Brissett. I could type in any teacher, their name, and then send them a message. I can also add files or links or even an audio and video recording and then send it directly to that teacher. I can also look on my own calendar here. Any notifications of things I need to know about would be here. And then if I want to do anything with courses or groups, if there's a parent group I want to join or create, I can do that here. So I can join a group. I guess I don't have the ability as a parent to create a group, but so these are the pieces of Schoology for parents. Let us know if you have any questions.